Picture, if you will, a world beneath the emerald canopy of a bamboo forest, a place where silence round reigns, broken only by the gentle rustle of leaves, and where an ingredient of surprising elegance lies hidden. What if the true art of Korean cuisine isn't just about bold spices or vibrant colors, but about the delicate transformation of nature's quiet bounty? Today, we journey into that stillness to uncover a dish that embodies such grace, Juksun-chae. A simple name, perhaps, for a creation that speaks volumes about harmony, patience, and the profound beauty of the understated. It's a dish that challenges our perceptions, inviting us to find complexity in simplicity and to taste the very essence of a landscape in a single, ethereal bite. Prepare to be enchanted by the subtle symphony of Juksun-chae, the bamboo shoot salad, a true culinary revelation. Yet this revelation, this delicate art, is not a recent discovery. For centuries, across the Korean peninsula, the bamboo shoot has been revered. Its ephemeral presence celebrated as a harbinger of spring and a symbol of integrity. Its journey onto the plate began deep within the verdant groves of regions like Damyang, a place almost synonymous with bamboo itself, where generations have practiced the patient craft of harvesting these young, tender shoots. Historically, the season for fresh bamboo shoots was fleeting, a precious window of opportunity that demanded immediate action. Farmers and foragers would rise with the dawn, venturing into the misty forests, their keen eyes searching for the faint cracks in the earth that signaled the nascent shoots pushing towards the light. The extraction itself was a delicate dance, requiring skill to unearth the shoot without damaging its pristine core. Once harvested, time was of the essence. The shoots were blanched quickly, a vital step to remove their inherent bitterness and lock in that singular, crisp texture and subtle sweetness. This early processing was crucial, often involving boiling in rice water or soaking, methods passed down through oral tradition, ensuring the shoots were perfectly prepared for their culinary destiny. It was this inherent delicacy, this mild yet distinct flavor, that elevated bamboo shoots from mere sustenance to an esteemed ingredient. In the annals of Korean cuisine, particularly during the Joseon Dynasty, bamboo shoots graced the tables of royalty and scholars alike. It wasn't merely about taste. Bamboo carried profound cultural weight, representing steadfastness and resilience, qualities admired and reflected in its thoughtful preparation. The chae style of cooking, transforming ingredients into delicate, finely julienned salads, became a particularly elegant way to honor the bamboo shoot. It allowed its natural crunch and gentle aroma to take center stage, complemented by a light seasoning that never overshadowed its inherent beauty. This culinary philosophy of coaxing the purest essence from nature's bounty is what truly defines the historical appreciation of Juksun-chae. Beyond its esteemed place on the plates of nobility, the bamboo shoot's significance in Korean culture runs far deeper, woven into the very fabric of its philosophy and art. It stands as a powerful symbol, its straight, unyielding form representing integrity and resilience, virtues highly prized in Korean society, particularly among the scholar gentry class. This deep respect for bamboo mirrors a societal ideal, where one remains steadfast and upright even through life's harshest winters. Indeed, bamboo is counted among the four gracious plants, or Sagunja, alongside plum blossoms, orchids, and chrysanthemums. These are not merely botanical specimens, they are metaphors embodying the ideal qualities of a true gentleman: modesty, strength in adversity, and a refined spirit. The very act of appreciating bamboo, whether in a serene painting or a meticulously prepared dish, was a way to reflect upon these virtues and aspire to them. For the Joseon scholars, a simple Juksun-chae on their table was not just food, but a silent companion, a reminder of their principles and their unwavering commitment to moral rectitude. The delicate preparation of Juksun-chae, therefore, is more than a culinary technique. It is an act of cultural affirmation. It celebrates the bamboo's essence, mirroring the quiet strength and purity that Koreans have long admired. While the fresh shoots herald the arrival of spring, a season of renewal and hope, the dish itself embodies a philosophy of moderation and respect for nature's subtle offerings. It's a testament to a cuisine that values balance, where no single flavor overpowers, but rather each ingredient is allowed to sing in harmony. To partake in Juksun-chae is to engage with a profound cultural legacy, a silent narrative of virtue, resilience, and an enduring connection to the natural world. It invites us to pause, to savor, and to contemplate the deeper meanings embedded within what appears, at first glance, to be a humble vegetable. Yet even as we appreciate the profound legacy of Juksun-chae, the culinary landscape of Korea is ever evolving. Today's chefs, with a deep respect for tradition, are fearlessly exploring new dimensions for this venerable ingredient, pushing boundaries whilst honoring its delicate essence. No longer confined solely to the plates of the literati, bamboo shoots are finding their way into a vibrant tapestry of modern Korean gastronomy. We see them artfully incorporated into contemporary salads, lending their crisp texture and subtle sweetness to lighter, more health-conscious preparations. Imagine, if you will, the delicate crunch of bamboo shoots paired with a citrus vinaigrette and fresh seafood, a harmonious dance of tradition and innovation. Some chefs are even experimenting with unexpected fusion, perhaps a lightly smoked bamboo shoot puree gracing a Western-style entree, or its fine juliennes adding an intriguing counterpoint to modern Korean barbecue. This modern reinterpretation isn't about discarding the past, rather it is a creative dialogue with it. It's about showcasing the versatility and timeless appeal of the bamboo shoot to a new generation, allowing its inherent virtues, its freshness, its unique texture, and its understated flavor to shine in novel and exciting ways. These culinary explorations are a testament to the enduring power of Korean ingredients, proving that even the most ancient traditions can inspire breathtakingly new expressions on the modern table, inviting us to rediscover the elegance of simplicity through a contemporary lens. Yet even as we appreciate the profound legacy of Juksun-chae, the culinary landscape of Korea is ever evolving. Today's chefs, with a deep respect for tradition, are fearlessly exploring new dimensions for this venerable ingredient, pushing boundaries whilst honoring its delicate essence. No longer confined solely to the plates of the literati, bamboo shoots are finding their way into a vibrant tapestry of modern Korean gastronomy. We see them artfully incorporated into contemporary salads, lending their crisp texture and subtle sweetness to lighter, more health-conscious preparations. Imagine, if you will, the delicate crunch of bamboo shoots paired with a citrus vinaigrette and fresh seafood, a harmonious dance of tradition and innovation. Some chefs are even experimenting with unexpected fusion, perhaps a lightly smoked bamboo shoot puree gracing a Western-style entree, or its fine juliennes adding an intriguing counterpoint to modern Korean barbecue. This modern reinterpretation isn't about discarding the past, rather it is a creative dialogue with it. It's about showcasing the versatility and timeless appeal of the bamboo shoot to a new generation, allowing its inherent virtues, its freshness, its unique texture, and its understated flavor to shine in novel and exciting ways. These culinary explorations are a testament to the enduring power of Korean ingredients, proving that even the most ancient traditions can inspire breathtakingly new expressions on the modern table, inviting us to rediscover the elegance of simplicity through a contemporary lens. Now, having savored the poetry of the bamboo shoot's journey, let's venture into the vibrant heart of the kitchen itself. We're about to unveil two distinctive approaches to preparing these exquisite shoots, one from the meticulous hands of a fine dining virtuoso, Chef Minjun, and another steeped in the time-honored traditions of Master Heesook Park, whose family has run a cherished Heesook restaurant for over a century. Get ready to awaken your culinary senses. First, let's explore Chef Lee's inspired creation, a seared scallop and bamboo shoot salad with yuzu soy vinaigrette. This dish is a celebration of textures and bright, clean flavors, perfect for a lighter, more elegant meal. You'll begin with 200 grams of fresh, tender bamboo shoots, thinly sliced into delicate rounds or fine matchsticks. If fresh isn't available, quality canned or vacuum-packed shoots will do nicely after a quick rinse. For the luscious scallops, we need 6 to 8 large sea scallops, patted dry. Rounding out our canvas, 100 grams of vibrant mixed greens and 100 grams of halved cherry tomatoes for that burst of color. The heart of this salad lies in its yuzu soy vinaigrette. In a bowl, whisk together 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of fragrant yuzu juice, its citrusy perfume instantly uplifting. Add 15 milliliters, 1 tablespoon, of light soy sauce followed by 60 milliliters, 4 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, and a delicate touch of 5 milliliters, 1 teaspoon, of toasted sesame oil. A hint of sweetness comes from 5 milliliters, 1 teaspoon, of mirin, and then, for that profound umami boost, incorporate 5 milliliters, or 1 teaspoon, of a vegetable umami essence. Finish with a generous pinch of freshly cracked black pepper. Chef Lee employs a clever trick here. The vegetable umami essence is not a replacement for the soy or yuzu, but a subtle amplifier, binding the vibrant citrus notes with the earthy depth of the bamboo. It's a flavor multiplier, enhancing the overall symphony rather than dominating it. Just remember, when a vegetable umami essence is present, you may find yourself needing a little less salt or soy sauce in your dressing. For our vegan friends, simply substitute the scallops with beautifully grilled king oyster mushrooms or firm pan-seared tofu for a similarly satisfying texture and flavor. To assemble, quickly blanch your sliced bamboo shoots for a minute, then refresh in ice water for that perfect crispness. Pat them dry. Next, sear your scallops in a hot pan with a touch of oil for about 2 minutes per side until golden brown and caramelized, leaving their centers tender. Arrange the mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, blanched bamboo shoots, and seared scallops artfully on a plate. Finally, drizzle generously with your yuzu soy vinaigrette, allowing its bright, complex flavors to marry with the freshness of the ingredients. The dish is a testament to both simplicity and sophistication. Now, let us journey into Master Park's kitchen, where tradition reigns supreme. She will guide us through a classic Korean staple, Juksun-chae Bokkeum, or stir-fried bamboo shoots, a dish that embodies comfort and deep, satisfying flavor. For this recipe, you will need 300 grams of boiled bamboo shoots, cut into elegant matchsticks. The pre-cooked variety works wonderfully here. You'll also need 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced, and 1 stalk of green onion, chopped both for their aromatic punch. A touch of 50 grams of julienne carrot is optional, but it adds a lovely splash of color and a hint of sweetness. The seasoning is quintessentially Korean: 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, ganjang, 10 milliliters, 2 teaspoons of fragrant sesame oil, and 5 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. And, of course, a scattering of 5 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds for garnish. You'll need 15 milliliters, 1 tablespoon, of vegetable oil for stir-frying. Heat your pan or wok over medium-high heat with the vegetable oil. Sauté the minced garlic until fragrant, just about 30 seconds. Be careful not to burn it. Add your bamboo shoot matchsticks and the julienne carrots if using, and stir-fry for a few minutes until they begin to soften slightly, yet retain a delightful bite. Now add your soy sauce and sugar, continuing to stir-fry to ensure all the shoots are beautifully coated. Here, Master Park, in her wisdom, embraces a vegetable umami essence as a finishing touch. After all the traditional seasonings have been added and the bamboo shoots are perfectly tender crisp, she adds a single spoonful, 5 milliliters, of the vegetable umami essence right before removing the pan from the heat. If you're using a light vegetable broth to thin the sauce, consider adding a dash of a vegetable umami essence with it at the beginning to build an even deeper umami foundation. And always taste as you go, adjusting your soy sauce slightly to accommodate the delightful presence of the vegetable umami essence. For those who can't find a vegetable umami essence, a dash of savory liquid seasoning or liquid aminos can offer a similar boost, though the delicate balance will be slightly different. Finally, remove from the heat, stir in the sesame oil, and sprinkle with green onions and toasted sesame seeds. This dish is naturally vegan and offers a comforting, deeply satisfying experience. Whether you lean towards the refined elegance of Chef Lee's modern creation or the comforting embrace of Master Park's traditional stir-fry, the bamboo shoot proves its incredible versatility. It adapts, it inspires, and it continues to tell a story of Korean cuisine that is both ancient and eternally fresh. So, what does this humble bamboo shoot truly signify in the grand tapestry of Korean cuisine? It is far more than a mere vegetable. It is a silent chronicle of survival, a testament to ingenuity, and a constant companion through the ebb and flow of seasons. From the rugged mountains where it first emerged, to the refined tables of the literati, and now to the innovative kitchens of today, Juksun-chae has absorbed centuries of stories. It speaks of a people deeply connected to their land, understanding its rhythms and drawing sustenance and beauty from its embrace. In its delicate crunch and subtle sweetness, we taste the resilience of Korean culture, its ability to adapt, to endure, and to transform the simple gifts of nature into culinary art. It reminds us that sometimes the most profound stories are told not through grand pronouncements, but through the quiet grace of an ingredient, patiently nurtured, carefully prepared, and shared across generations. The bamboo shoot, in its understated elegance, stands as an enduring symbol of a culinary heritage that is both deeply rooted in the past and vibrantly alive in the present, forever inviting us to savor its timeless wisdom.